to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix HI or high temperature alarm on Frigidaire refrigerator. So guys, the common issue: the door left open and not closing properly, warm food or too much food added, high room temperature, faulty temperature sensor, and the fan issue and the power outage. So first of all, check the door. Make sure the door is fully closed and check for the obstruction, and clean the door gasket, and a loose or dirty gasket can cause the warm air leakage. Okay, another thing is guys, check the temperature. Make sure the fridge temperature is set to the 37 degrees Celsius or colder, or the freezer. Okay, and the freezer is set to the 0 and minus 18 degrees Celsius. Then guys, allow the time to cool down. If the door was open or warm food was added, so close the door and wait for several hours. It's take up to 24 hours for the temperature stabilization. Then guys, you also clean the condenser coils. Dirty coils can cause the overheating. Clean the condenser coil every 6 to 12 months, located at the back bottom of the unit. Okay, and guys, you also check the vents. Ensure the air vents inside the fridge are not blocked. So listen for the evaporator or the running. No fan noise may indicate an issue. Then guys, check room temperature. If the room temperature is too warm, above 90 degree Fahrenheit to and 30 degrees Celsius, the the fridge may be struggle to keep cool. So improve the ventilation or lower the temperature. Last thing is guys, reset the alarm. So press and hold the temperature options button together for the 3 to 5 seconds. The alarm should stop and the display will return to the normal. The last thing is guys, unplug and restart. If the alarm continues, so unplug the refrigerator for the 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This can reset the control board and clear your minor glitches. Also, there is some still showing the alarm, so it may be a component issue. So faulty temperature sensor, evaporator, fans not working, main controller board issue, and maybe refrigerator problem, cooling issue. And food safety tips: if the alarm has been on more than 4 hours, so check your food, refrigerator temperature and your freezer temperature, and prevent from the alarm. So keep the door closed, don't overload, allow the spaces, set the correct temperature. And guys, here are the error display and what it's mean. If the error is so HI and high temp, so it's mean the refrigerator temperature is too warm. F1 means sensor error, F2 means evaporator sensor error, DR means deforest system issues, and SY and EF means system communication error. So these are the things that you can check, do for fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.